Alright, Keith, this is your Model A, 29 Model A Ford truck. You guys are just gonna love this. Go ahead, dude. Alright, dude. We wanted to show this to you because it's just too cool. His dad gave him this about a year ago, and we're goofing off with it. Beep, beep, beep. That's awesome. About 2.5 to 1 compression ratio. Alright, Keith, real quick, tell me what this is.
This is a 1929 Ford Model A pickup. What else do you want to know about?
How'd you get it? Where'd it come from?
My dad gave it to me last year for my birthday. He got it when he was 21 with the intention of restoring it and never did. Ended up being stuck with it for 6 months, so he actually drove this every day for 6 months. He got it in '63. It's 80 years old now.
And pretty damn good shape for an 80-year-old, I must say.
Yeah, I hope I look this good when I'm 80.
And that's a truck too. It's so cool. It's all original. Couple of upgrades for the 12-volt, right? To get it
Yeah,
a little.
the 12-volt conversion. It actually has a Model B engine in it, so somebody replaced the engine before my dad got it.
That's awesome. I just figured I'd real quick get it on there and throw it online just for fun. Alright, dude.